what is better on a country time summer night than a nice bourbon cocktail? You know, you're chilling out on the back porch, you got your rocking chair, you're watching the sun go down. This is a country redneck's dream, guys. You know, a real good, refreshing bourbon drink. And I really feel that's what we've landed on today. This is the Kentucky Strawberry Spritzer. Now, this particular drink is just, it has, to me, everything that a country-style cocktail needs to have. It has bourbon. It has strawberries. It has some citrus going on and a nice carbonation as well. It just, it's going to go in this mason jar glass. What more do you need, guys? I can't give you the rocking chair. You're just going to have to settle for this. So without any more of my rambling, forgive me, I had a couple drinks earlier. It's time to make this cocktail. So it wouldn't be a Kentucky Spritzer without a little bit of bourbon. And that's what we have going on here. I'm using some Eagle Rare. This is some Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. You can use bourbon. Didn't come from Kentucky, but you would be living in a lie. Anyway, 2 ounces. We'll put 2 ounces of the Eagle Rare in there. Next, I have this really nice strawberry syrup that I made. I'll put a link in the description where you can find a recipe to make your own. Fresh strawberries. Real nice stuff. It's going to be 1 ounce of that strawberry syrup. I promise citrus. I promise citrus, and I must deliver. It's only going to be 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, which should be about 1/2 of a lemon. Don't worry though, I don't like to waste. We're going to use that other half. Boom! Nailed it. So once we have all that in there, we're going to pour a little ice in. It's time to shake. Really? Alright, I said we was going to use those lemons. And I did not lie. A couple nice lemon wheels in this cocktail. Cooperate. So I got my mason jar glass filled with ice, lemon wheels in there, and strain this off. Oh no, not quite full. It's okay though, don't you worry. I promise some carbonation. Top it with some soda water. Time to get that rocking chair rocking, baby. That is the Kentucky Strawberry Spritzer. Alrighty. It's good. Really good. It's crisp. It's refreshing. Hold on. I'll be with you in a second. This is too good. I really, really like it. It turned out, to me, real good. It was not too acidic. It almost tastes like a bourbon sour with a little bit of a strawberry in there as well. Really quite an enjoyable, refreshing drink, which is what it was intended to be. if you're interested in going on a cocktail creation journey along with me, you can learn about liquors and cocktails just like I am. You can click down below on the subscribe button. It looks so much like that. And you can also click the bell icon next to it. That way you're going to be notified when I post new videos so you can stay up to date. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this. And remember that if this idiot can do it, so can you.